How to tag people on Instagram. Let's say that you just took a group photo with you and your friends. Oh, what? You don't have any friends. But let's say you do and you want to tag them in your photos, or you want to attract the attention of someone you look up to. Tag me on your Instagram photos. Let's say that you paint some really nice fan art of PewDiePie, you want to tag him in your photos. How do you do that? Well, in this video you'll learn exactly that. All I want from you to do that is to grab two things, because this is a no BS tutorial. First, cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Okay, so in this video we'll learn how to tag people on a new post, on an old post, in the caption and in the story. Okay, so I'm on my Instagram right here and I'll add some photo, for example this one. How do I tag someone? To do that you just click next, and next here you have the filters, and when you're here you don't have the tag options like we did in the intro of this video. So here what you do is you can tag people by clicking the tag button right here, tag people, tag the person, and then choose the person, for example Dr. Disrespect, and here it is, the pop thing, and you can even move it if you didn't manage to pitch the point to the right person at the beginning. An alternative, if you've already created a photo that you want to tag a person to, is you click on a photo. If it's a carousel you can choose exactly which post you want and which slide you want. For example, I had a carousel where I used Gary Vee. Here he is. So he's not in the first one, right? We have him tagged here in the first one, but we also have him in the second one. The second one is Team Gary Vee, the first one is actually Gary Vee, so I can tag multiple people in different slides. And to do that, so it doesn't seem spammy, I just click edit on the photo, 3 dots, edit, done, so it's not in the caption. Come on, okay, again, 3 dots, edit. I'll click the space, so I'm removed from here, and you can see the tag button right here. You can just tap the screen or click tag, click the person or a space in the screen where you want to tag someone, and this is the way to do it. If you actually want to tag someone in the caption, which a lot of people do for shoutouts, you just, in somewhere in the caption you click on @ and then type in the username, for example drniki.co. If you actually tag me, I'll shout you out on my stories. Just remind me in my DMs if I forgot. So just click, type that, and that's the way to do it. So how do you actually tag people on your Instagram stories? Well, don't you worry, you learn that right now. First, you obviously gotta create the story, and to add someone you just click the stickers and click the mention function, and here you can tag Instagram. Help me. And here it is. If you want to make it a little bit better, you won't use the normal borders or strokes Instagram will give you. You draw something like this, and then you put the text here, and if you want it even more interesting you can even add this function, do something like this, and it's even worse now. So this is how you tag people on Instagram. You know what, I'll shout you out in one of my next episodes. All I want from you is to comment your Instagram username down below and I'll shout you out. The shout out winner on this video is, and we have a few ones, let me read it. First we have How to PC, who says, hey everyone, this is my Instagram, magic/design or lower dash il. It's about editing and design. I really like Instagram accounts like this one. Keep on the grind and check him out. Then we have Travis Dakers, who says, more sick gold and black edits, follow goldencars.yo. It's a black and yellow Instagram account. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, you know what? Check one of these videos out.